Don't make the decision to throw this heat shield away. If this isn't here, there's a tremendous amount of extra heat that gets radiated into the engine compartment instead of staying in the exhaust system and getting purged out the tailpipe. Okay, so here's the top heat shield that goes over the exhaust manifold, and you can see it's rusted out in every place that's used to be bolted down. Well, when I put this over the top, I'm gonna secure it by putting a large washer over so it'll hold everything down in place. But what about these things? These were the little brackets that held the oxygen sensor that goes down in this hole, the wire that comes up, it suspends the wire above this heat shield. Well, they used to be here and here, and they're broken off now. Well, I don't want to just abort them. There's clearance underneath this location for that one, and there's clearance underneath this. Because I've got to do goofing around and make this work, I have to install these with a nut on the back. You can see what I've done here. I moved this bracket from here over to here, so that's probably okay. This one I moved from here to back here. That cable routing right here may not be okay. If it comes to it, I'll bend that tang up and rotate this whole thing to be at this orientation. This is a way to save a heat shield on its last legs. This would probably be over 150 bucks, and it's gonna take time to get it. If money is important to you, then this is a good option to extend the life of these heat shields. If you've got lots of money and don't want to fool with it, put a brand new one on. Okay, so here we are with our new cat and the old heat shield. The bolt holes had rusted through the heat shield. So I've built it up with large washers, and hopefully that'll do the job. I've just used a large steel hose clamp to hold it in place.